All right, so welcome to another session on electrostatic electricity. And this time it's a method of charging and discharging an object. So let's start by looking at how do you charge an object. There are a lot of methods that are being used, though friction or rubbing is not mentioned in these methods, but it is one of the methods that can be used to charge. And previously we looked at how you can charge something by friction. For example, a glass rod, you rub it against a cloth. Then what happens is it loses electrons. So that method is called rubbing or friction. Another method that we use is a method called induction method. Induction method. So how do you charge a material using this method? It's simple. For example, when you look closely at this material, first of all, you need to have a material which is not charged. That's what you need to have. So when you have a material which is not charged, then you are going to bring a rod which is charged. For example, a rod which is charged here, it's a glass rod. You bring it near to the material, a conductor. Okay? Now here, you don't put it in contact, but you just move it closer. So now what happens inside is that when you bring a charged rod, a positively charged rod, the electrons within this material will be attracted inside, meaning that the positive will be repelled. Now, as this is remained in position, you introduce what is called an earthen wire the other side. Now, why are you introducing the earthen wire here? An earthen wire is a passage for electrons. Remember that this side they are positives. So now what happens is the electrons will move from down here, going up. And when they go up, they are going to cancel these positives. And when the positives are cancelled, what you are going to remain with is a material like this one with charges that are evenly distributed. Now, this means that you have charged this material negatively. That's the understanding that should be there. So meaning that the same can happen when you are charging a material positively. It means what you are going to bring here, it's now a charged polyethylene rod, and the vice versa happens again. So here on this method, remember that a charged material is only brought close to a material which is neutral charged, but not in contact. Okay? So this is what you should expect by induction method.